Hello and welcome. Ito nga pala ang Honda City RS Hatchback. And nga pala ito yung bagong with the Honda Sensing. Ito nga pala yung susi. Ito nga pala yung remote start feature. So try nga natin yon. Na isa-sample natin. Ito nga pala yung susi. So double lock that and double tap. And it blinks. Yan. And it roars to life. 1.5 liter Honda City with a VTEC engine. Para syempre maging practical nga naman tayo para maging malamig na yung sasakyan natin sa loob. Let's turn it off. Yan. And unlock the vehicle. So kapag kaya unlock natin, I believe, yan, just grab the handle and open the vehicle itself. Yan, kapag kaya ilalak mo siya, ito yung button natin. Yan. Ganun lang. And that's it. Yan yung yung button for that. Tapos may mga beeps kayo maririnig. Look at the paint scheme para sa Honda City RS Hatchback. I'm really amazed. Ang ganda ng Sonic Blue Yung nga pala yung red version nun. Yan. Sige. Pwede natin dalawin yung yung red. So, needless to say, let's go. And here we go inside sa Honda City RS Hatchback. I think nakasagad na siya. We go. So let's keep the key over here. Yan yung natin. We would be greeted by the 3-spoke steering wheel. Tapos ito yung audio controls natin sa kaliwa. Yan, magagamit mo siya kapag ka naka-tune in na yung natin, cell phones natin sa infotainment system. And then ito yung the new feature for the for the model Honda City with the hatchback one is may Honda Sensing na tayo. Yan, ganun siya. Yan kahit nakapatay may mga red accents tayo nakikita over here. Really nice. Yan. Tapos ito yung infotainment system natin. Yan. And then air conditioning is on to the below. So we can actually demo na put it on to the accessories position. Yan. Iilaw ng infotainment. Hit it once more. Yan. Tapos yan na naka-on position. Yan. Nagtitest yung dials. Analog. Tapos yung yung natin. Speedo natin is also analog. Here we go. Let's step on the brake. Tapos yan. Hit the button to start. And what's really in fairness is yung natin, yung dual natin is meron siya. Yan. Hit OK. Tapos yan, may mga plastic pa siya dito. Bluetooth settings and volume controls. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto na siya ready na yan. And then ito yung air conditionings natin. Angat natin yung climate control natin dito. Yan. Just a neat feature for this Honda is umiilaw yung natin, yung yung thermostat, umiilaw siya kapag ina-adjust niyo. Tapos syempre, ang bilis lang ng pag-switch ng recirculations. Yan. Max cool if you want to. Yan. Tapos yung natin, look at the dials. Look at that. Sexy dials. Yan. Very very quiet engine. Tapos syempre, yan, EPS for that one. Very very smooth. Tapos yon. Tapos meron pa tayong natin dito is yung CVT transmission. Pag nilagay ko siya sa reverse, meron itong reverse camera. Tapos meron siyang different kinds of cameras right over here. Yan. Wala ka na kung saan ka mas komportable. Icon button nga pala siya. As if nagagamitin nyo yung icon button. Pero kung gusto nyo talaga magtipid sa isang very very sporty na hatchback looking Honda City RS, available siya. Yan. Put it on neutral, drive, and yung sport. Yung sport mode, pwede mong pakinangabangan yung mga paddle shifters natin right over here. Yan. Okay. Put it back. And what's neat about this Honda City is mechanical handbrake. Yan. Yan. Tapos ito yung hazard switch. Anong tunog ng hazard? Yan. Very elegant sounding hazard switch. Yan. Very good. Nice. Tapos yan. Tapos ito yung brightness nga pala ng natin, ng instrument dials, but obviously isagad na natin pre. Yan. Tapos traction control is off. Yan. Vehicle stability assist is off. Yan. But ito yung natin, tanging thoughts natin for this dashboard. Dashboard is napapansin ko dito, very neat na hindi masyado obvious yung mga black piano natin trims. Nasa air louvers lang siya. Tapos yan, may mga maninipis na na trimmings tayo dyan. There you go. Very nice. Tapos meron tayong mga side curtain airbags. Ito yung logo pero hindi nyo siya masyado makikita. But yan. Rear view mirrors. And then halogen interior lights. Tapos nahanap ko yung 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 sunshade holder. Wala siya dito. Check nga natin kung damp nga na yung natin. Oh, it isn't damp. But just to say, it's still there. Ayun yung storage natin. Yan, damp nga naman yung grab handles. And syempre, yan na natin. Yun. Center armrest. Leather siya. And by the way, if I'm not mistaken, leather rin to. May mga red accent strips siya dito. But having a contrast na blue car and red dials, I think some people would prefer with the choice of the red color then obviously kasi yung interior interior color natin dito hindi na bababago yan eh. It's only the exterior, unfortunately. Okay. And yung mga ilaw natin, very nice. That is the back seats in which mamaya itatry ko rin siya. Pero sige, tignan nga natin yung labas nito. By the way, ito yung mga power windows natin. I almost forgot. Yan. Power center locks. Tapos yung folding mirrors. Tweeters natin. Look walang nakalagay na brand dito but yeah, it's there. As long as you can see it. Yan. Here we go. Look at this. Wow. Unbelievably ang ganda. Ayan yun naman yung kulay. Sonic blue. Tapos here with the RS badging right over there into the middle. Tapos yung mga nameplate natin, city hatchback. Really like yung carbon fiber inspired na lip spoiler. Tapos yung mesh grill tayo dito sa ilalim. Same goes with the at the top. And I believe this is daytime running lights. Then tapos may mga blackout trims tayo dito. Black piano black piano na nalagay dito for a sporty look. Really nice na they kept it chrome with the Honda logo. Tapos meron tayong fog lights right over here. And kanina dinemo ko na siya kanina doon sa intro and then outro. And syempre tignan na natin yung wheels and tires natin. Tires natin, yung brand nito is Yokohama. Tapos with the Blue Earth model. Tapos 185 by 55 R16 4 lug nut spec. And very blacked out na siya. I would prefer kapag sabihin natin with this kind of color tapos puro black out yung side mirror housings, I would prefer would be a silver wheels or pala na kayo for aftermarket spec. And kay RPF1 would fit great dito sa kotse na to. And yung shocks yan. Pero syempre kung bet nyo na tong stock na to, yun na palitan. Nice. Tapos yung lower lip spoiler right over there. Thankfully hindi siya blacked out. Same goes with the grab handle over here. Yan, hindi siya blacked out. That's nice. And then the next one would be blacked out yung tail lights natin right over there. Yan. Tapos yan, rear wheels. But sa likod naka drum brakes pala siya. And then ito nga pala yung shock absorbers natin. Right over there. Okay. So right before natin tignan yung yung boot space, tignan natin yung yung rear passenger doors. Okay, mapaglalaroan natin dito would be yung air vents natin sa likod. Yan, 2 air vents for additional comfort obviously, para malamigan yung pasahero natin. Then yung center headrest meron tayo dito. Meron na itong center armrest obviously. Fully leather, tapos may mga red leather strippings tayo dito. Yan. The traditional OK Honda sticker right over there. Yep. Napakatagal na yan, hindi pa rin tinatanggal. Very traditionalist. Yan. But overall, yun lang naman na kailangan mo dito eh. As a height of 5'5", kasyang-kasya na nga naman yung ulo ko dito. I don't feel like parang claustrophobic for myself. Tapos yan, dump nga pala natin yung grab handles onto the back side of the vehicle. Tapos syempre may mga tayo dito, mga water jugs or bottle holders tayo dito sa gilid. Tapos leather wrap siya dito. Oh, I almost forgot, pati rin pala sa harap. Leather wrap na siya dito. Soft padded leather. Let's check this one nga. Ayan natin. So grab the handle right over there. Yan. Nice. Okay. Nice. Tingnan na natin yung boot. Yan. There you go. It opens up thanks to the hydraulics onto there. Meron tayong courtesy lamps. Yan, very amber. Tapos silahin lang natin to. It reveals the carpets, since yung carpets ay nandito for the showroom purposes. Ito yung tires natin, spare tire. I'm not sure kung space saver tires siya, pero nandun yung jack. Palitaw ko ulit. Yan, the tire wrench is over there also. Yan, for privacy purposes, ayan, nakalagay ito. Then ito yung natin, yung seats, it tumbles down. There's a grab handle over here. Yan, baba nyo na siya. Just as that. Yan. Tapos meron tayong lip spoiler over here for sporty look, para hindi siya nagmumukhang kalbo. Tapos yung natin, yung GPS antenna natin is blacked out. Galing okay. IV tech sticker right over here. Yan. Tapos dito naman sa likod, yung natin, another set of carbon fiber inspired lower split diffuser. Okay, nice. Exhaust pipe natin, ooh, it's kind of wet, pero yan. RS badging right over there, obviously. Yan. Yun lang naman. What else? Yung fuel door. Fuel door, buksan natin yung fuel door right before the engine. Oh my gosh, ang lakas ng ulan. Ang lakas ng ulan. Okay, then let's open this one too. Right. Yan. Yung fuel door, and that's the 91 octane minimum. Let's check the engine. Let's go. Okay, ito na po yung makina natin. Yan. Yan na yan. And look at that, the beautiful blue sa engine hood natin. But needless to say, ito na may pag-uusapan natin. Yan. It is a 1.5 liter IV Tech engine, double overheaded cam. Ito yung horsepower weight na pinoproduce nito. At the same time, ito yung Newton meters of torque na pinoproduce na makina na to. Yep. There you go. Tapos ito yung component parts natin. ABS module on to the left of the engine. Tapos yan, engine supports right over there. Tapos meron na itong the old traditional radiator cap. Honda kept it that way, there guys. Tapos yan. Yun lang naman. Yung intake manifolds is over there. Yan. Airbox. Lagi kong pinapayo dito sa mga sa mga car owners kapag sabihin natin magpapa-engine wash detail, mag-iingat at mag-iingat na lang kayo since marami tayong sensors over there, sensors over here, sensors over there, sensors over there. Maraming sensors yan. Make sure na gawin nyo, if magpapa-DIY kayo nyan, do it properly or on a professional, and they would do it on a proper way. Okay, ganda ng kulay nito Then ito yung vehicle emission control information. Tada! Yan. Yan lang. So, yan ang batteries natin. That'll be all for it. Okay, unbelievably, mukhang tapos na ako dito sa sasakyan na ito Pero syempre, hingin ko nga rin yung susi nito, itong sedan version. Baka may makita pa tayong difference dito sa sedan comparing dito sa hatchback. Pero kayo, ano ba pipiliin nyo? Yung hatchback or yung sedan? Tara, silipin natin din to. Okay, ito naman yung sedan version. Well, this is just a quick view nga naman. Syempre, ang pinakaiba lang na sedan is meron siya dun sa sa rear tailgate. Bubuksan mo siya since this is a priority sedan. And ito yung pa rin remote start. Ayan. Ganun lang. Starts on to life. Yun lang naman. Then same goes. Yan. Then ito nga pala yung sa rear tailgate, folded up. Yan. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Still the same. Yan. And boot space almost the same din. Yan. Wala nga lang siyang courtesy lamp since ito pala, sorry. Yan. Yun yung courtesy lamps niya. So super light. And syempre yung ducktail lip spoiler right over there. Yan, blacked out, very sporty looking. Carbon fiber inspired diffusers tayo dito. Meron tayo dyan, yan. Tapos mga deflectors natin right over there. Yan. Wanna see that in action? Sige, alam nyo, this is for treat. Yan, just to lock that keyless entry cabinet. Yan. And yung interior nito is quite different from the hatchback. because napansin ko ito ay finished with the red accents over here. Red trimmings right yan. Ganyan. Let's go. Nice. So yeah, just a quick startup. Yan. Start na agad. Yan. Very manual yung natin. Adjustment natin for the seats. Yan. Press OK. Red yung dito Oh, guys, red yung information system natin dito infotainment system rather. Sorry. Yan. Doon sa hatchback kasi kulay blue. Okay. Yan. Tapos same goes with the yan, mga natin. Red dials natin dito. So red. Nice. Tapos syempre match na yung natin. Mga leather seats. Perhaps alam ko yung nasa hatchback. Ito pure red to. Ito, this one is completely black. Tapos red leather stitching. Yun yung napapansin. Okay. So let's turn it off. Yan. Yan lang. Yan. Tapos spot lamps, interior lamps. Really nice. Tapos I'll turn on for the for the headlights. Yan. And show you the sweeping action. The headlights. Yan. Fog lights. Yan. Tapos hazards. Yan, syempre. Ito nga pala yung exterior wise. Yan. Side mirror housings right over there. Yan. Yan lang yung natin. And headlights natin. Which do you prefer? Yung sedan or yung hatchback? Kasi for my case, yung sedan ang nananalo sa design ng sa likod. Look at that. Yan ang ayos ng itsura. Parang siyang BMW like or European 4-door 5-passenger na sedan. RS badging dito. Yan. Honda logo on the middle. Tapos syempre with the city logo. Nice. I bet this one. Ito. Yan. Yung likod niyan. Pero kasi ang ganda ng kulay talaga nito. Ayun lang. But needless to say, ayan, yun yung kailangan niya na malaman. So comparison between sa sedan and then syempre sa hatchback. Right, let's turn it off. Yan. And then let's get our things and syempre let's end the video there. Like, comment, share, and subscribe guys. And gusto ko lang sana magpasalamat sa Honda Fairview dito sa may Fairview. Kasi they're very very generous for giving us the authorization para mag-shoot ng mga units nila. Ito yung mga unit lots nila. Yan, right over there. Yan. Yan, isa rin yan. Isa rin to. Laki na showroom guys So, thank you very much for watching. Have a safe trip. Ingat kayo lahat. I'll see you on to the next video. Bye bye.